Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my favorite vegetable dish to eat when I'm not in the mood for meat or when I'm fasting, and that's for pumpkin talkari. This can be made with regular pumpkin or you can use butternut squash. So if you'd like to see how to make this, let me show you. So to start with this recipe, we need a heavy bottom pan on a medium heat, and I'm going to go in with some oil. Next, go in with some methi or fenugreek seed. Now for my recipe, this is a must. Once the seeds are toasted and nice and dark brown, we're going to add in some chopped onions and some chopped pimento peppers. We're going to saute both until they're nice and tender and the onion has a light brown color. After the onion is nice and tender and light brown, go in with some minced garlic and allow that to cook until the garlic is light brown in color. If you add the garlic together with the onion, the garlic can burn before the onion has a chance to get nice, sweet and light brown in color. Next, go in with your chopped pumpkin or squash. Add salt to taste or to your preference. Go in with some light brown sugar, which is totally optional, and some green seasoning. Give that a good mix and allow the sugar and the salt to dissolve. Let it cook out for 1 minute in the pot, after which we'll go ahead and cover it and allow it to cook until it's very tender. Now if you wanted to, halfway through the cooking process, like about 10-15 minutes in, you can check it. Make sure when you lift that cover up, let that steam drip back into the pot, because that's what's going to help cook your pumpkin. Because you'll notice we did not add any liquid or water in here to cook this. So check and see if your pumpkin is soft. If it is soft, go ahead and take the back of your spoon and smush down on your pumpkin pieces. I like a really smooth pumpkin, so I smush it down until it's very smooth. If you like it chunky, feel free to smush half and leave half chunky. And once it's nice and smooth, you're going to add in my secret ingredient, which is some roasted geera powder. This adds so much warmth and earthiness to the dish that is needed. When you eat this, you're going to feel like if you're in a press or a wedding having this, because that's how good it is. And the secret is that geera. So mix that in really well. And once it's been mixed in, you want to taste and adjust your salt accordingly. And then this will be ready to be served. I like having this with hot paratha roti, or you can even have it with rice. Rice is really good too, or sada roti, or even toasty roti, any roti. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.